Have you ever invested in stocks or crypto just because a friend or social media influencer said so? With no understanding, you jumped in and bought them, and now you wish you hadn't wasted your money in the first place. Or even worse, you've given up on investing as a whole. Then keep watching. In this video, I'll share how you can develop the investor mindset, even if you're just starting out or have a tight budget, and why you need to, so you don't get burnt again. You've probably heard this a lot. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. That's because it's not. It's a journey, a long-term play. The sooner we stop looking for shortcuts and start thinking years ahead, the sooner we'll see real results. Wealth isn't built in days or months. It's built in decades. Think of it like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the sooner you can enjoy its shade. Money works for you, or you work for money. If we're always trading time for money, we'll hit a ceiling. There are only so many hours we can work in a day, but investing flips the script. It lets money work for you even while you sleep. That's how wealth grows. As crazy as it sounds, you don't need a lot of money to start investing. What matters is building the habit. It's like going to the gym. Small, consistent efforts lead to big results. Start with what you can, even if it's $1, 10, 20, 100, whatever you can afford. It's not about the amount. It's about creating the habit of prioritizing your finances. The right investor mindset comes with you understanding inflation. Every year, your money loses its buying power if it's just sitting in a savings account. By investing, you're staying ahead of inflation and ensuring that your money retains its value at least. You've probably heard people say, "I'll start investing when I make more money." It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you invest. The person earning 50 grand a year but investing 5,000 will be better off in the long run than a person earning 100,000 and saving nothing. Now, sometimes as humans, it's easy to compare yourself to others, friends, co-workers, or even people online. But investing isn't a competition, it's personal. You don't have to be the best investor. You just have to keep moving forward, because the only competition you have is the version of you yesterday. If you're ready to build the right mindset for your financial future, start today. It doesn't matter where you are right now. What matters is taking that first step. To support and encourage this channel, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it.